good morning! Welcome to another vlog here in the Misskaykrizz channel. And today we are in London! Yeah! Another short stay here in London. So don't expect to see that much. But I do have some clips from my last visit here. I think I'm gonna put that in. And then today is a Saturday. We arrived last night. It actually was a weekend, and some of my co-workers, they went to party last night, but I didn't go because I don't know, I'm just not in the mood for partying. So I slept and I enjoyed my rest. So today is shopping day. Yes, finally, after a month. Well, you know what, I'm not really a shopaholic. I just consider buying things as shopping. Like, for example, buying groceries for me is like shopping. So today I'm gonna buy some vitamins and some chocolates and I don't know, anything that I see. I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna take you with me. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Doesn't this look familiar? Me and the beauty aisle again. Oh my gosh. Now I'm obsessed with lashes, so I think I'm gonna try those. What do you think? Now look at that Kit Kat. Kitty kitty cat. So now we have rich queens here. This is the top. Oh, look at this. So cool. Enjoy my day so far. So right now I'm walking on the street and you see my hotel is right there. Let's keep on walking. We're almost there. Finally we have reached my room. Now let's go. Where is that key? Okay. We got it. Gotcha. Yay. Back to my hotel room. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, that's it. That's our boring shopping day. Ooh, you want to see what I got? I'm gonna show you guys. Let's do a whole video. It's so exciting. All right, just hold. So yeah, I'm here in London.
Halo maganda. Kamusta ka?
advantage with Helen. There. Stonehenge! From Stonehenge! Nanap lang tingog na gawin. Hey! So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and as always, please give me a thumbs up if you like this vlog and if you want me to keep on doing that. And if you have any other video requests, put them on the comments. I am reading them, and I have done actually a couple of videos that you have requested, like the makeup, flight attendant makeup video. I also did the get ready video that somebody requested on my other video, so watch out for that. I'm just gonna edit it and I'm gonna upload it soon, so that's coming up on this channel. Anyways, if you have reached until this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Fly with you soon. Bye.